keys?
You know where I put my keys? You know where I put my keys?
Is it in the little drawer thing?
Yeah, the little drawer thing, and it's the silver key. Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit!
What happened? What happened?
Oh my god! Oh my god! A fucking accident happened. Holy fuck! This guy! This guy was fucking racing and went between two lanes and just fucking slammed. Are you fucking shitting me?
That would have been. Yo, what are we doing? What are we doing?